Hey, in this tutorial I will show you two methods on how to buy USDT on Binance, which will not help only beginners but also people with experience. If you'd like to skip to a specific method, check the timestamps from the video description. The first method is funding your account with money and buying USDT in this way, while the second way it's converting your cryptocurrencies into USDT. That being said, let's start with the first method. What you have to do is press on the deposit button from the top right side of the screen. You can select buy with your currency of your account, and do not worry, you can change that to your card currency. You can change the currency from here. If you press on this pointing down arrow, you can search through all these currencies, or also you can, search into the search bar for USD, US dollar. And now you can select what you want to receive. With this amount spent, we can type, $200, and we want to receive USDT. You can select to receive Bitcoin, but I will leave it on USDT. Put your card information here, and in this way you will buy USDT by funding your account with new money. And if you are using the Binance application, this process can be done into the same way. If you press on your wallet icon from here, wallet, select funding, and once you are here, press on the deposit from above, and again buy with your currency from here, and this pop up just on my other monitor. But the second way to buy USDT on Binance, if you convert from a crypto that you are already holding into your account into USDT. As an example, let's start with the browser users. Let's select trade here above, then select convert. And once you are here, select what you want to convert. Let's inverse this because I want USDT, and let's select the coin which I have. I have few Doge which I can spare. Enter here the amount of the coin, or also you can convert the entire crypto which you have into USDT. This is the rate, 1 Doge equals 0.23 USDT. Let's press on preview, and if you are happy with the rate and the transaction fees, let's press on convert, and I successfully converted about 16 Doge to almost 4 USDT. And for the Binance application users, select all from the left menu, and you can find here convert. Let's hit that, and it just pop up on my other monitor. And here the same thing, let's reverse so we can receive USDT. Select the coin which you'd like to convert. As an example, let's choose BNB. Select here the amount of BNB which you want to convert to USDT. So this is how to buy USDT on Binance, or how to convert another crypto into USDT.